Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anisa and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. Everything I link to be linked to double in the description. Let's get right into the video. So as you can see by the title, I am in another collaboration with Isms by Josie and some others. And it is another night at the improv. And I am using some gold leaf as well as some glitters, and I will put in the wheel again to the parameters of what I have to do for this challenge. Again, massive thank you to Isms by Josie for creating this challenge again, and I will leave everyone's links down below in the description so you can see their videos as well. So I am going to be doing a ombre on each nail with a base layer of the butter pecan nude as well as the champagne from Giselle Beauty. You can no longer get that color anymore. And after that, I will be going in with various different glitters. The green glitter is from Acrylic, formerly known as Nail Like Lucy. And the red is from Giselle Beauty. The orange is from Giselle Beauty. The pink is from Young Nails. The brush is also from Bombnails. Yes, the blue for my thumb is from Acrylic's Soda Pop collection. I don't know if she has anymore, but that nail was one of my favorites, and I was surprised because I've had these glitters for I think over 2 years and I never used them, and they are very gorgeous. So as you can see, the prompt was diamond, and to me, diamonds, they really sparkle, they shine, and Joy to the World is kind of like Christmassy. So I wanted to do each nail kind of a Christmas tree theme, because there's like pink Christmas, there's traditional green Christmas, then there's a little ornament, and you guys will see some more, but I will be using not all, but pretty much most of the required materials inside the nail. And then I went ahead and did some nail art on top. So I have to use gold leaf, glitter, and some charms. And all 5 base colors have to be used. And it doesn't specify which base colors, you pick it. And as always, I do 5 nails anyways. So that was not an issue for me. And I'm going to let you guys watch me do my ombres, and I'll be back when I'm filing. There will also be some chapters, so you can go ahead and skip to whatever parts you want to see. Stay tuned for the final reveal also, because there is some stunning low light coming up. I love using glitter and I love using bling and diamonds and all that. It's gonna be so good. And these were one of my favorite nails that I've ever done in a while, and it is very simple to me, very easy, very beginner friendly, because at the end of the day, all it is ombre and glitter is one of the most forgiving things possible. So I'm going to be back later on. So now that everything is dried, there is butter pecan. I am going in with my Tammy Taylor peel and stick hand file, and I'm going in and removing any acrylic off the sides, as well as getting that coffin shape back. And I also smooth over the top, because when you encapsulate some things, and some of the gold leaf did kind of bunch up into a little ball, so you want to go ahead and file off any acrylic that's over the top to get it smooth. Sometimes you do have to file into the design if anything is sticking up, but make sure while you're doing your application that you lay all the glitter and all of anything else you're encapsulating as flat as you possibly can. And after this, I did go in with the e-file and go around my cuticles, as well as to use the buffer. And then I went ahead and did a acetone wipe just to get the nails extremely shiny. Even though they did get covered up by charms, I still wanted it to be very, very, very vibrant. Just a warning, there is a lighting change right now, and it's because all of my lights died. But I did go ahead and draw a snowflake, and to do it, you do one big dot in the middle, two cascading in order, so smaller than each other, and then you do two on the sides of those, and then you just draw from the center out each time, and that's how you get that little like starry pointy effect. And that is how you get a snowflake, and then you want to make sure you cure it so you do not smudge it. So the white I'm using is the Creation White. I also went ahead and drew the little candy cane lines on my ring finger, and then did another snowflake on the orange. And then this is the Manicure Rhinestone Glue Gel, and I'm using it to apply the iridescent pink heart on my finger, and then I go ahead and flash cure it with a LED light. So y'all, technically these are planet charms. However, don't they look like little ornaments? Like, I swear they're like little ornaments. And the heart to me looks like little wreath, kind of, sort of, but with like that, I think it's called tinsel. And to me, it really looks like Christmas and ornaments. And I think it matches the diamonds just because of how sparkly everything is. And I think also, especially the middle finger really looks like a diamond, and it looks like there's a little cluster of diamonds on top. If you get that too, let me know down below in the comment section, and also comment down below which nail is your favorite if you have one, and make sure you go check out everybody else's video. I'm going in with the LGN Clear and AB mix, and I just wanted to add some more hearts to give a more like wreath and more ornament effect, as well as add in some other diamonds and things like that. So to clarify, the little heart that was kind of iridescent did not come with the LGN bling. Some of these things I just kind of put in here to fill up some space because my box did drop. And then at that point, I'm like, see like this little heart right here that was not included. And this Hello Kitty, let me know if you guys think this fits, because I really think it does. It was so cute. However, it just covered up the snowflake way too much. So now I'm going in and adding some more charms to really tie everything all in. After this, I do go in and top coat with some Beetles top coat, and then I went in with some cuticle oil. Comes another lighting change, because like I said, it was the flash from my phone, and my phone was literally on 1%. And I was telling my sister, like, plug it up, plug it up, plug it up. So that is how this video did not cut off, because if it would have cut off, I would have lost a ton of footage. So thank you to Layla for bringing me my charger. And I went ahead and cured that last stone on. And now it is time for the top coat. Stay tuned, because there are some low light looks and just a full final reveal, and there will be way more shorts of this. So if you just want to see like the end result, you can check that out in my short. I will go ahead and have that related to this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell. Everything I have linked to be linked to down below in the description, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.